Hi guys, today we're going to be seeing how to create a custom word list for brute force attacks. So let's get into the video. First we'll be downloading the git repository by Meebus. The tool's name is cup. We'll just copy the clone. Let me zoom in. There we go. So what this tool does is it basically creates a custom word list using some information from the target. It runs on Python 3. So let's go ahead and change directory. Not able to find the file. Let's just type in cup. Okay, there we go. It's cupp. Okay, enter. There we go. Okay, let's see how to run this. I guess it runs on Python 3. Yeah, there we go. It runs on Python 3. Let's just copy this. Enter. These are the options. So we'll need to use interactive, which means it's going to ask questions about the victim, and once we enter that, it's going to start generating the password list. So let's go ahead and type -I. Enter. There we go. Now we have to fill in the details about the victim as much as we know, so therefore the passwords are more relatable and there is a better chance to get the credentials of the victim. So I'm just going to type in some random name for the test purpose. It's going to ask partner's name, which could be their wife, their loved ones, anyone. Then it's going to ask child's name, so we'll just go ahead and give in the child's name and nickname. It's also going to ask pet's name, because many people name their password mostly after their pets also sometimes. I'm just going to give in some random name. Now it's asking if I want to add some keywords. I'm just going to type yes for showing you guys. Now we can add completely random words, or it could be related to the victim. I'm going to add in completely random words right here to just show you guys. If you're hacking a specific target, it could be things which they like or things which they do. Their career could be related to their career, or it could be related to their passions. Next it's going to ask me, you want to add special characters. I'm going to hit yes, and numbers also yes. We're not going to use delete mode, so it's no. And it's asking shall it start generating the password. You're going to hit yes. The password size is 20,000 words approximately. There we go. It started generating the password. It'll take some time depending upon the size of the file. It's going to be saved in a root folder with the name of the victim. For me it's james.txt. So what this tool basically does is it helps you target specific victims. For example, it may be the person you know, or a person you're close with, you know some details about them. This tool could be very helpful because it's very time saving. There we go. We just have to go to the cup folder, and there we go. Here's the text file. Thank you very much guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Bye.